I appear for the petitioner, my lord. The offences are unlawful assembly and writing. Now, my lord, on 27/6/2026, my lord, there's a procession that happens. There's a
Where?
public function that's conducted, my lord, in Chikbalapur. Now, the allegation on me is this, my lord, that there's a procession that's conducted from a temple to this public event where the function is happening. And there are certain provocation that's done by the sitting MLA. And the allegation of the present petitioners are that I've used the words Kucha and Ayogya against him. That is only an allegation. Now, out of if your lordship-
Defamation ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
No, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ what is this?
It's a
Unlawful assembly
unlawful assembly and writing, my lord.
of 800 to 1000 people.
Out of 800 to 1,000 people, even according to their own complaint, they have
And
identified these four petitioners.
how are you picked up in 800 to 1000 people? How many people here?
Now, my lord, I have produced
Four.
photographs. Four, my lord. I have produced photographs to show the event where it's happening also, my lord. Page
So many people are there?
7, 48, 49.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Currently it's happened in Chikbalapur where
ಆಯ್ತು 800 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರಾ?
they have barged into the function and created a nuisance. We'll secure records, madam.
Secure. Well, they heard the learned counsel, Srimati Kirti Reddy appearing for the petitioner. The petitioners are said to be a part of an alleged unlawful assembly, which was a congregation of 800 to 1000 people. It transpires that the certain words are uttered by these petitioners are berevara
It's alleged that it's
by
my lord. I was
by
the
several persons against the sitting member of the Legislative Assembly. This ought to have been the subject matter of a defamation if the said legislator was aggrieved, not picking these four people for unlawful assembly. Of unlawful assembly, the learned SPP to secure instructions with regard to how only 4 people were found out of the 800 people to choose and register the crime against them. In that light, further proceedings, further investigation, qua this petitioner still the instructions are secured, shall remain stayed.
Like it is not 800 people, the gathering of 800 people.
7 AM. 7 AM.
Idu failed trap,
Trap is successful, my lord.
I'm-
This is the classic case where, my lord, the act itself is misused by the complainant.
Howda, why?
Complainant himself is a habitual offender, my lord. Plus, he has given similar complaints against the other public servants. My lord,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
my
ಈಗ
humble submission
ದುಡ್ಡು
is
ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾರು?
that in this case, my lord, I am only, my lord. But, my lord, fact remains that, my lord, why, my lord, I made this.
Why
submission,
did you
this is a
take?
classic.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
My lord, I was working, I am working as a bench clerk in the KAT, my lord. It is a case of the complainant is that, my lords, I have demanded the 60,000 rupees for
ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಯುನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
appellate tribunal.
Appellate tribunal.
Appellate tribunal. Plus, on the day of the demand or trap, the already order was passed, my lords. I have placed the order of the
Why did you
tribunal.
take?
I have not taken, my lords, this is a successful trap. That's why, my lords, I made a specific
ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್
submission.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ದುಡ್ಡು?
This because, my lord, that's why, my lords, I made this
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
submission.
ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್?
I only received it, my lords.
Why did you receive it?
My lord, that I have not received, my lord. I have given an explanation in the trap mahadar itself. This is a force. He has kept in my packet in a forcefully, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ನ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅವರು?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್, my lord. That is my
ಎಷ್ಟು? ಹೌ
stand.
ಮಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್?
60,000 rupees, my lord.
60,000 ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೊಟ್ರ?
60,000 rupees.
60 ನ 60 ನ?
60. And, my lord, the complaint
ಪ್ರೀ
is
ಆರ್ಡರ್
in the-
ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ?
No, my lord, it is not the case at all. On the day of on the day of the demand and acceptance, demand and draft, order was already passed by the judicial officer and also the member of the tribunal.
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಡ್? ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಡ್. ಎಸ್.
My lord, so the conduct of the complainant, that's why, my lords, I made the submission. This is the classic case. where
ಏನ್
the act
ಯಾರು?
itself
ಹೂ
is-
ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್?
Complaint is one member, my lords. He has taken a loan from the cooperative society, my lords. He is a successful defaulter. Successful
ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟರ್
defaulter.
ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
Successful defaulter. That's why, my lords, under the
ಇವ್ರೇನಾ?
Karnataka.
ನೀವೇ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
I am placing the complaints, my lords, where he and his son both, my lords, they are in the habit of making allegation against the public servants. My humble submission, my lord, this attitude is permitted, my lords. Then no public servant will perform their duties. So, my lord, this is,
What duties, sir?
see, if this is the first case, my lord, then my lord, in the cases like this,
Hmm.
and my lord, in a similar set of
Perform
acts,
what duty?
they will perform their duty in a free atmosphere.
free
my lord.
act
Otherwise, my
ತಗೊಬೋದು.
lord, this cases like this.
Free ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ.
Free act ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, my lord, the misuse of the act itself, my lord, and in the similar circumstances, my lord, your lordship in Prabhu Gowda's Patil case, and wherein, my lord, your lordship in a Dharwad bench has held that in a Birlinga's case, they approached the Supreme Court, and they have, Honorable Supreme Court had dismissed their,
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ? SLP dismissed.
SLP is dismissed. In Prabhu Gowda's Patil, my lord, it has reached finality, and they have not challenged it before the Honorable Supreme Court. This is ordered at 21st February 2026. Observation of your lordship, my lord, it start from page number 13.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ದಾ?
No, my lord, he is a police officer who has taken a bribe for filing a B report.
Correct.
Here in our case, my lord, so we have demanded for granting. I am not the authority, my lord. I am not a judge. I am not the member. Start from 13, my lords. At page, your lordship has
ಇದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್
considered.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
No, my lords.
ಮತ್ತೆ
This
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
order
ಯಾವ್ದು?
is not
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್
challenged.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Here, my lords, kindly see page number.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸುನಿಲ್?
Supreme Court, your lordship has referred it at page number 32, para number 12.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Your lordship has
SLP ದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
SLP, my lords, at SLP number 6770 of 25. Ordered
Oh,
at
ಇಲ್ಲ.
4/9/2025.
ಹ್ಮ್.
On a similar set of facts, my lord, demand and acceptance.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ page 33 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
33, my lords, the apex court refuses to interfere with the findings recorded by this court. In light of the judgment rendered as offers quoted, the issue in the case at hand need not detain in this court for longer or dwell deep into the matter. It is admitted that there is no trap and there is not even a prima facie
Objections
finding
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
that-
Objections
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, this shocks the conscience. A bench clerk, he will say, I will get you the order. But,
Oh, that is an allegation, that's it, my lord.
ಈ
It is not the
report-
case.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Shocks the conscience, my lord.
In recording, my lord,
Continues,
even in-
my lord, case continues even for one day with the interim order, with the benefit of the interim order. my lord.
ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Entry order there, my lords, it is either way also, my lords, either way also. That's why, my lords, I am making
My
the.
order.
Completely demeaning, my lord. It is completely.
My
demeaning.
order.
Demand is
No, my
there,
lord.
acceptance is there. My learned friend has fairly admitted before this honorable court in this hearing today that there is demand, that there is acceptance.
Hey, not my
No, I
order.
am not admitted, my lords. There is no
The
demand.
order is
at all.
not mine.
No, not.
Yes, I am not admitting. I have not admitted for demand. My lords, the first demand on 29/11/2024.
Shocks
After
the
lapse of
conscience.
2 months, he has filed the present complaint. After lapse of 2 months, and is in the habit of making false allegations.
ಯಾವ್ದು
against the
ಬೇರೆ
public
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
servant.
ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
I have given a memo, my lords. Sir.
ಆಯ್ತು. Heard reserved. Objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು.